What in the white language?
I don't know if you guys realize, but the reason why Korean girls do aegyo is because guys in Korea actually really like them. Well, not all of them, but obviously majority of them do. And that's the reason why if you watch K-dramas or watch any Korean shows that has like K-pop idols in it and stuff, they always ask celebrities to do aegyo because they know fans gonna love that. So why do Koreans like aegyo then? So as you know, aegyo is basically like acting or talking really cute, like a little baby, you know? And Koreans believe that aegyo makes you look innocent. So it kind of makes you want to protect the person and, you know, kind of give it a little pat on the head because they're so cute. So just imagine like a little petite girl acting like a golden retriever. Guys are gonna go crazy for that in Korea. So definitely a cultural difference. Just because you don't like it doesn't mean everybody in the world's not gonna like it. Learn to appreciate sometimes.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here